Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. Summers are just round the corner and this is the right time when you should change that soft furnishing in bright and bold color and have some soothing colors around your home. So most of my cushion covers are in bright color, so I decided to sew some cushion covers that have some soothing colors and are just perfect for summers. So finding nice fabric for cushion cover is quite a task here. So I tried my luck in a men's suiting and shirting store, and there I found this shirt piece that has some beautiful floral pattern going on, and it doesn't have too many bright colors, and it just looked perfect to me for summers. So I just picked it up. And here I would like to mention Munix, who's the sponsor of this video. Munix manufactures all cutting tools like knives, peelers and scissors. Munix stands for quality products that make our life easier and better. So today I'm going to show you how you can make envelope cushion cover in just 15 minutes. It's super easy. The entire process is not too complex. You can do it in minutes. So let's start. First, cut the fabric according to the cushion size. Now spread the fabric on work area facing the right side down. Now fold the shorter edge ½ inch and iron it. Now fold it again 3/4 inch and then iron it again. Do the same on the other side. First fold ½ inch, then 3/4 inch and iron it. Now hem the edges. Now spread the fabric facing right side up and place the one edge on the other so that it overlaps 4 inches. Now seam the edges. Use these pins so that the fabric stays in place. And finish with zigzag stitch. It will ensure that the edges will not fray. Now turn it inside out. Now iron the cushion cover and it's ready. So that's all. Subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. And some other day in some other video I'll show you how to make zippered cushion cover. Till then, watch either this video or this. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine. Bye bye.